Good day, kids! Our subject for today is science. And today I will discuss to you about properties of materials. I am teacher Lani. Our most essential learning competencies: discover and understand the properties of materials and their uses. Properties of materials. This lesson will help you to discover and understand the properties of materials and their uses. The lessons includes activities that will guide you to use the properties of materials and determine whether they are useful or harmful. Properties are distinctive characteristics that describe an object or material. These properties of materials determine their uses and importance. These properties may be observed directly or indirectly. Go to your kitchen. Observe the materials found in the kitchen. Can you name some materials? Look at the picture. Can you tell the uses of each materials found in the kitchen? Each materials have their own characteristics, which tell about their properties. You can classify them based on their shared qualities and properties, like texture, color, and hardness. These are called physical properties. Let's observe teapot, plates, cups, and saucers. What characteristic do they share in common? If you say they are made of ceramics, you are right. Its property shows that it is hard, rigid, waterproof, and resistant to heat. These properties make them a good material for holding hot liquids. There are also some plates, cups, and saucers that are made from plastics. Plastics are also durable, but once it is deformed, the deformation remains. They are also durable. Durability is the ability of the materials to withstand wear, pressure, or damage. Unlike plastic materials, rubber bands are elastic. When force is applied on it, it returns to its original size and shape after the force is removed. This property is elasticity. Rubber is durable, elastic, and can resist heat. This makes rubber an excellent material in making tires for land vehicles. Try to help your mother scrub the steel sink using steel wool or wire sponge. The sink and the steel wool are made up of stainless steel. They are important because the sink is used to hold water when you wash things. They are also tough, easy to clean, and strong. Some materials like fork, spoon, and knife are also made from stainless steel. You may cook rice in an aluminum pot or in a rice cooker. Aluminum is used in making cookwares like kettle, rice cooker, casserole, and frying pan because it is a good thermal conductor, does not rust, and has light weight. These properties are important for everyday use in cooking foods. Now, when choosing materials for specific use, don't forget to consider their characteristics and their properties. Your prior knowledge about the characteristic of solid, liquid, and gas will help you to determine their properties and uses in your everyday life. You can describe a metal kettle by saying that It is strong and durable. A metal is also malleable. This property, malleability, means that a metal can be hammered and formed into sheets which can be used for a variety of different purposes. The performance of solid materials considers their response to external forces. Hardness is a measure on the amount of force that an object can withstand. Tough materials like block of wood will not break easily, in contrast to materials that are brittle like eggshells. Plastics are flexible, durable, and resilient. That's why they are good materials for storage containers. But they are extremely resistant that they persist for hundreds of years. Do you know that plastic water bottle can persist for 450 years and disposable diapers for 500 years? Some materials found at home like the power cord of the rice cooker or extension wires are made from copper wires. These materials are good conductors of electricity. The electrical conductivity is the ability of metals to conduct heat and electricity. Learning task number 1. Using the given objects presented in the table, write as many characteristics or properties as possible to describe each object. The first object, chopping board. Second, plastic plates. Third object, glass. Fourth, rubber bands. And fifth, steel knife. This is the choices: hard, smooth, malleable, magnetic, conductor, water and heat resistant, strong, elastic, clear, transparent, corrosive, and durable. Learning task number 2. Match the materials in column A with their uses in column B. This is column A. Knife. Number 2, wood. Number 3, cloth. Number 4, metal pots. Number 5, ceramic cup. 6, muriatic acid. 7, powder detergents. 8, mirror. 9, bath soap. 10, electrical wires. This is column B. A, reflects the existing lights. B, cooking foods. C, conducts electricity. D, removes dirt in soiled clothes. E, cleans the toilet bowl. F, holds hot liquids. G, food preparation or cutlery. H, chairs and tables. I, blankets. And J, personal hygiene. Learning task number 3. Read the properties of materials below. Identify the property of materials described in each sentence. Number 1. The physical property of metals that defines their ability to be hammered, pressed, or rolled into thin sheets without breaking. Number 2. Ability of the materials to conduct electricity. Number 3. This refers to the ability of the material to withstand wear, pressure, or damage. Number 4. The physical property of a material associated with the ability to be hammered thin or stretched into wire without breaking. And number 5. It is the measure of the resistance to localized plastic deformation induced by either mechanical indentation. Thank you, kids, and have a good day. Once again, I am Teacher Lani.